Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about iPhone again, and I would like to show to you the way how to rename folder on your home screen. So what is folder on your home screen actually? So the folder on home screen will be like this boxes that containing several application on it. So this feature is make you easier to access several application that has the same function. For example, the folder for the Metzos here is containing the application that related about the social media. So whenever I want to access several social media, I just need to open this folder. That's quite simple, and it's also make you like have less look on your home screen, so your home screen will not gonna be look like crowded. So here to rename the name of the folder here, it's quite simple. So you just need to click the folder that you want to rename, and after that there will be like appear here the name of the folder and the folder that consisting several of the application. And now we just need to go click the name of the folder. By click it and hold it, and after that you just the functions or the information is gonna be pop up. You just need to go click rename, and now you can start rename the folder. For example, here is shopping, and whenever you're done renaming the folder, you just need to go click done, and you just need to go back into your home screen, go click done. And that's the way how to rename folder on your home screen by iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.